Hi, I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today we'll be exploring one of Australia's most famous beaches, Bondi Beach. Join me as we take a walk on the wild side of this iconic destination. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or comments during the video, be sure to drop them down below. All right, let's get started. We begin our walk at the southern end of Bondi Beach, where the waves are the most consistent and perfect for surfers. The water is crystal clear and has that perfect shade of turquoise blue that instantly puts you in vacation mode. As we walk along the beach, you'll see a mix of locals and tourists soaking up the sun and enjoying the waves.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
Bondi Beach is known for its lively atmosphere and vibrant culture. It's a place where people come to have fun, relax, and enjoy the beauty of the ocean. There's always something happening here, from beach volleyball games to impromptu dance parties. As we make our way down the beach, you'll see some of the iconic landmarks of Bondi Beach, including the Bondi Pavilion and the Bondi Icebergs Club. The Bondi Pavilion is a cultural center that hosts various events throughout the year, from art exhibitions to concerts. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!